Adults undergo several developmental stages including early, middle, and later adulthood. As they develop through these phases, they experience different health concerns and are forced to adjust to several changes in their bodies and personality. Some of the changes include how people relate and whom they relate to, as well as the roles they engage in. A person's lifestyle may also influence the kind of experiences during early, middle, and late adulthood. Some of the habits practiced by people during these crucial stages in life have both immediate and future impacts on the adult's growth and development. During early adulthood, people are often concerned with developing the ability to share intimacy and form relationships. Most of their efforts are directed towards establishing, building, and maintaining relations. As a result, long-time associations are formed, which then lead to marriage and child-rearing. During this period, the main source of intimacy is the friendship circle. Some of the activities that individuals engage in during early adulthood include developmental tasks, such as choosing their careers, building and maintaining intimate relationships, and performing their household responsibilities. Adults in this stage are energetic and can engage in multiple roles simultaneously. During early adulthood, an individual's immune system is strong and is more likely to fight health complications. The probability of an individual developing chronic conditions at this level is low. Although this period is generally considered a healthy period, several health concerns could occur. Some of the health concerns that most adults experience during early adulthood include depression and ulcers. Adults between the age of 20 and 40 are the majority in this category. At this phase of their lives, they are more likely to be depressed due to the challenges and stresses of trying to gain financial stability, get an intimate partner, and raise a family. It is during this moment that an adult seeks emotional safety from peers and intimate partners. One of the ways that persons at this level can manage and prevent health concerns is by involving themselves in regular physical exercises. This will enable them to overcome health issues such as obesity, diabetes, and depression. Physical activities help one improve their mental health. It also enables one to fit and be able to avoid lifestyle diseases. Furthermore, the need to practice proper nutrition and follow healthy diets is necessary for an adult at this age to enhance their health at later stages of their lives. Some of the food that they should take include milk, cereals, fruits, and vegetables. Young adults require foods rich in calories because they need much energy to engage in day-to-day activities, since this is the most active phase of their lives. However, they will need to monitor their calorie intake depending on the level of activity they engage in daily. As one progresses to middle adulthood, attention shifts from friends and intimacy to their family/work relationship. An individual would, therefore, dedicate much of the time to taking care of the family and engaging in day-to-day activities. The reason for it is that, at this particular stage, those who are close to the individual are family members and colleagues, as they interact on an almost everyday basis. The main activities for individuals at this stage include raising a family and responsibilities at work. Moreover, their main source of emotional safety is acquired from their spouses and children. In middle adulthood, a person's immunity is jeopardized and they become vulnerable to diseases and conditions. Some of the health concerns witnessed at this level include issues with vision, skin, and reproductive capability. Individuals experience a decline in cognition, hearing, and immune system functioning. People in middle adulthood need to adopt healthy lifestyles, balance work and life responsibilities, and develop economic stability. In middle adulthood, many individuals are faced with lifestyle diseases such as diabetes and obesity. In this case, to prevent such health concerns, they need to eat healthy diets and engage in regular exercises. Maintaining contact with family members ensures that an adult feels emotionally secure at this stage. They should also enhance economic stability to enable them to sustain their needs during late adulthood. One of the ways of practicing healthy lifestyles during middle adulthood is taking nutritional diets. Health concerns such as vision, skin, and reproductive conditions experienced during this stage can be managed and prevented by eating foods such as fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and beans. Fruits and vegetables will help an individual improve their vision and skin health. Consuming cereals and other foods high in fiber will help them develop their immunity and build strong and resilient bodies. Moreover, adults in this stage need to take diets rich in calcium and avoid spicy and fatty foods. This will reduce the risk of them developing lifestyle conditions such as obesity and diabetes, which are common during this period. During late adulthood, an adult is no longer actively involved in day-to-day activities. Most of them are retired, they no longer have the physical ability to engage in cumbersome tasks. The main activities at this stage include taking care of elderly spouses, nurturing and mentoring the young generation. Some of the common consequences of old age are illnesses, such as depression, arthritis, asthma, stroke, and diabetes, which are a result of weakened immunity due to old age as well as isolation. As one age, their duties begin to change, and the main challenge is to balance between day-to-day activities. Some of the strategies to manage and prevent health concerns during late adulthood include social-emotional support, financial aid, and healthy diets. Like in all other stages of adulthood, persons in this level are encouraged to eat nutritional foods. Since most older adults have compromised immunity, they need diets that can boost their immune systems. Nutritionists recommend that they take appropriate amounts of proteins, take enough fluids, and ingest more fruits and vegetables. They are also advised to eat food that is low in fat because they do not need many calories at their age, as they no longer engage in physically demanding activities. Adults at this stage also need to be provided with financial aid. Empowering the older adults also ensures that they can sustain themselves with basic needs as well as cater for their health expenses during late adulthood. Moreover, during this phase, a person requires emotional support since they are isolated. Adulthood is divided into 3 stages: early, middle, and late adulthood. During this period, adults experience many changes physically, socially, emotionally, and psychologically. In early adulthood, an adult is concerned with establishing and maintaining relationships with peers and intimate partners. As they develop into the middle stage, they are occupied with work and family roles. Lastly, late in their lives, the adults begin struggling with the effects of aging. StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. Writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out!